The second easiest of the 5 mother sauces is a veloute. It's basically a bechamel, but instead of using milk, we're using chicken stock.
Hey, my name's Chris Rivest. I'm not a chef, but probably neither are you. Welcome to the Rivestaurant.
So we're going to start with a roux, a little bit of butter in a saucepan. Now as the butter melts, the protein is going to separate. That's that white stuff. If you want, you can make clarified butter by skimming it from the top. Throw in a tablespoon of flour. Work that around. Make sure you work out all the lumps in your roux, and then throw in about a cup of chicken stock. If you add cold chicken stock, you're less likely to get lumps. You get a nice, smooth, velvety sauce. And as it heats, it'll thicken up. With these basic sauces, you can get fancy by adding herbs and mustard. A little bit of salt always helps it out.
So when you put the spoon through it, it leaves a trail.
Yep.
That means it's thick.
Coats a spoon.
And that is looking like a veloute.
Chicken gravy.
Let's see. That's good chicken.
Add some cinnamon to that and you got some shitty chalet sauce.
Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chili. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the stop and chili. Clean your plate.
Yeah, you'd have to add like a cup of sugar and then some cinnamon, and I'd probably punch you. Because it's gross.